Mace, wait.
He wants to come down. Come down.
No, don't pick him up, Mace. Let him walk downstairs. Mason, hey, do not pick up the kitty.
Why?
Davis, can you pet gently? Yeah. Yeah. Gentle.
Come on, kitty cat. Come on.
His name's Whiskers, Mace. Yeah, be gentle. Be gentle. Yeah, you like the kitty cat, huh?
Mommy, can you take him down?
Well, no, Mace. If he wants to go down, he'll walk down the stairs all by himself.
Come on, kitty cat. Walk downstairs. Can you say something to him?
Yeah, let's see. Hey, kitty cat. You gotta call him Whiskers. That's his name. Yeah, hi. Say hi, Whiskers.
No, Mommy. Can you say, come on?
Well, I'll call him Whiskers. I'll say, hey, Whiskers.
Mommy, you have to call him a kitty cat. He's a kitty cat.
Yeah, but he has a name, just like you're a boy and your name is Mason. He's a cat and his name is Whiskers. Gentle.
Mommy.
Gentle.
Mommy, he's a bee.
Yeah.
Mommy, that's a bee on chair.
Oh, yeah, it is a bee on the chair. Careful.
That little.
Yeah, you love that kitty cat. Yeah. Oh, hi.
Can he wants to go downstairs?
Ask him. Oops, don't pull the tail, though. Say, hey, Whiskers, do you want to go downstairs? Gentle.
Hey, cat, will you want to come downstairs?
I think he wants to sleep up here. No, don't pick him up, just pet him. Pet his tummy, gentle.
Do you want to go downstairs? Do you want to go downstairs?
Oh.
He wants to come downstairs.
He does?
Yeah.
How do you know? How do you know he wants to go downstairs?
Because he wants to go downstairs. I ride my bike.
Is that what Whiskers wants to do?
No, be gentle.
Yeah, tell Davis, make sure Davis is gentle.
This is kitty cat.
Hey, oh, Davis.
Cat's a tongue.
What, Mace?
He was doing silly. You want to ask him?
Gentle, Davis. Gentle.
Come downstairs.
Let me
Can
try.
you ask him?
Let me try. Hey, Whiskers. Hey, Whiskers. Do you want to go downstairs?
Do you want to come downstairs? He said yes.
He did?
Yeah.
How did he say it? Did he say, meow? Oh, bonk. Hey, I think he's eating that cookie pie. Davis, gentle. Gentle.
It was his fault.
It was Davis's fault. Gentle, Dee. All right.